Hi, I'm Cal Malm, and my presentation today is on auteurs in cinema. The reason I chose this topic is because it's an area I'm very interested in. This presentation will firstly give an introduction to auteurs. Then I will discuss three auteurs that I believe are some of the most profound in their area. These being Alfred Hitchcock, Quentin Tarantino, and Edgar Wright. Then I will provide a conclusion and summary. Finally, I will discuss some of the references and resources that I used. In the past century, a number of auteurs have greatly impacted the global film industry. Auteurs are filmmakers with a unique approach. Their filmmaking is so personal that they're often referred to as the author of the film, like similar to an author of a book, or the driving creative force behind that piece. Firstly, I will discuss Alfred Hitchcock. Hitchcock needs no introduction. He is renowned for his contributions to the cinema, with films such as 1960's Psycho, 58's Vertigo, and 1954's Dial M for Murder. Hitchcock had an articulate method of being able to build tension in a scene. He credited his ability to build suspense to a theory he referred to as bomb theory. He described this by painting a scenario wherein a bomb is planted under a table, and Hitchcock would leave this information completely blank to the characters. The characters wouldn't know that there was a bomb planted under the table, but the audience would, and they would know that soon it wouldn't explode, and likely killing our two characters if they didn't become aware of it soon, building tension as time went on. Secondly, I wanted to talk about Quentin Tarantino. Tarantino's films are characterized by the director's signature style. His films are violent, his dialogue is explicit, and his characters are morally ambiguous, if not completely abhorrent. Utilizing the dramatic crash scene to dramatic, sometimes even satirical effect to introduce characters as well as heighten the intensity of scenes with their reactions, he often credits his inspiration to old westerns from Sergio Leone's spaghetti western films such as the Dollar trilogies, as well as martial arts films such as Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon. Thirdly, I want to talk about Edgar Wright. Edgar Wright is an auteur whose style of filmmaking needs no introduction. He has become renowned globally for his use of quick, snappy, and energetic editing to fuel the tension, action, and often the humor of his films. His over-the-top and frantic style of montage editing has been praised for its ability to keep the pace of film fast and energetic, often even making it humorous. Mundane tasks such as grabbing your keys or your coat to go out to your car are often feel action-packed and fast-paced, and even become humorous at the absurdity of it. In the last 100 years, a number of auteurs have greatly impacted modern cinema, ranging from Alfred Hitchcock's famous suspense movies in the 1950s and 60s to the more modern-day auteurs such as Tarantino and Edgar Wright, creating masterpieces such as Pulp Fiction, Kill Bill, and Shaun of the Dead. These movies have all been created by an auteur who has unequivocally left his own stamp on the film. To summarize, this presentation firstly gave an introduction to auteurs, and I discussed three famous auteurs, and then finally gave a conclusion and summary. In researching this topic, I used a number of good websites such as Intofilm and Scriptlab, as well as an excellent ebook. Thank you for listening.